Happy Monday, guys. I'm getting ready.
Let me see.
Punta kami sa kung nasaan sila man. Itong si Chona and my kids talaga. Did you finish your food?
It be all finished food.
Huh?
It all finished food.
You did not finish your food. We can't go if you don't finish it, okay? So go finish your breakfast so we can go. Good boy. Good boy. Finish it all. Big bites.
On water.
Yeah, your water's down there. Water bottle. It's filled. So, lagay lang ako sunscreen, lip tint. Okay na tayo, guys. Nanghihina pa ba? Hindi pa ako nakakapagkape. Niready ko muna yung dalawang kids. Kasi naligo kami kanina. Hindi kami nakaligo kagabi eh. Tagal na tulog ng kids kagabi, guys. Mga 1-something na. Hinintay talaga nila si Jan. Or feeling ko, hindi ko alam kung sinadya nilang hintayin or dumating lang. Gising pa din sila. 1-something na silang umakyat. Tapos ako, hindi ako makatulog kasi naririnig ko sila sa baba. So, nakatulog ako. Later pa sa kanila. Mga close to 2 na siguro yun. Tapos gising ng gising kasi mayroon tayong indie. Tapos pagbangon namin, wala na sila manay. Maaga kasi silang umalis. Ayusin ko lang. Natanggal yung lashes ko kasi grabe man ako nudnud sa mukha ko kanina. Tanggal yung dalawa dito. Kabit lang natin saglit. Ayokong magmadali kasi apakainit. Playground kasi yung pupuntahan namin. Tapos okay pa naman si Indy. Malapit na ito maubos, oh. Yan na lang natira. 11, 10, at saka 9. Isang 10 na nga lang after nito, eh. Dalhin natin yung leftover natin kahapon, guys. Kasi hindi makakain to, masasayang to. Kasi for sure, magdi-dinner out tayo mamaya. Dala ako drinks, tas dala ako baso. We're going soon. Are you finished? Alright, come on, couple more bites. Hi, guys. Are we ready?
Yeah, Indy's ready. And I'm ready.
You're ready.
Indy feels like this. This is so nice.
Okay, what did we learn this morning?
Eat your food.
Eat your food and
Be nice to your mommy.
be nice to mommy.
I'm being naughty. I'm being naughty.
You're being naughty.
I'm being annoyed at me. I'm already sorry.
Alright, are we finally ready to go?
Yeah. We end up. Do you want to take a photo?
Uh-oh. Alright, India. Yeah, Bub. She's ready to go.
Well,
Okay, ready?
yeah.
Alright, let's go.
How long is it, Mama?
18 minutes.
Is that long?
Ah, what a morning. Are you okay, Ayla? Your voice is a bit off. You alright? Okay. So, hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko sa inyo at all yung mga mangyayari today. Kasi wala to sa plano. Yung nasa plano lang is yung gymnastics ni Ayla. But, maaga umalis si Namanay kanina tapos nag-send siya ng picture. Sabi niya maganda dito, playground. Tapos inisip ko yung mga bata agad. Oh yeah, maganda. Mag-i-enjoy yung mga kids dun. So dalhin ko sila dun. And while getting ready, while getting everyone ready, naging naughty ang mga kids. So may mga disiplinang nangyari kaninang umaga na tumagal kami ng bongga. But that's okay. Hindi kasi ako nagmamadali din kasi sobrang init. Binook ko si Ayla at saka si Arlo din ng holiday gymnastics. So yung school nila nag-offer ng holiday gymnastics. Pwede mong i-book yung mga bata. Marami actually dates, kaya lang ngayon lang yung date na makakapasok yung dalawa sa isang class. And yun yung habol ko. Kasi may mga iba-ibang classes. Yung iba sa Ayla lang yung pwede. So mayroon pang ibang dates, kaya lang wala na kami dito. So yeah, yun talaga yung plano today. Punta kami gymnastics. But that's not until 1:45. Pero ngayon, it's 10:54 and papunta kami sa Oval kung saan naglalaro si Kuya Zach. Kasi nandun si Manay at saka si Holly, obviously. Yep, Kuya Zach's there. And TJ, yes. And I think Riker's gonna be there too. And Holly. You got your hats, guys? Yep, that's good. Ang dami kong dala. Dala ko yung bouncer ni Indy. Kasi ako lang mag-isa, guys. Dan will try to
Must go.
make it. But hindi ko na in-expect. Kasi ayoko mag-expect. Baka lang ma-broken hearted ako kapag nag-expect ako. If Dad makes it, then very good. If he doesn't make it, it's okay. We will survive this life. For the kids. It's 32 degrees outside. Apakainit. Yung suot ko is from La Olivia, guys. So kung naghahanap kayo ng legit na Mardi, check out La Olivia. Meron pa akong iba dun. Hindi ko na-haul. I-haul ko sana kanina. Kaya nga lang, nasa discipline mode si Mami kaninang umaga.
Mommy,
And,
Daddy, help me until then. Small one.
Yeah, he helped you poo. That's good. We're really happy with your pooing, Alo. Keep it up, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. So if you need to poo, you just call me or Daddy and then we will help you, okay?
Help me.
Or ate.
I don't tell. I help you, Mommy.
I love you, Alo. Were you being naughty to me today, Alo?
And then I'll finish my
You did not finish your food, yes.
I say sorry to Mommy.
You said sorry to Mommy, yes.
Yeah, that car. But,
Where?
Mommy, I just say sorry.
Ayla said sorry. Ayla said sorry straight away. Ayla was really, really good. When she realized that she wasn't listening, she said sorry. Si Arlo yung medyo matagal. Matagal kaming nagtigit ni Arlo. Si Ayla, nakakaintindi na siya eh. Pag napapansin niyang hindi na ako masaya, tumitigil yan siya. Tapos tinatanong niya ako, ay, ayoko maiyak. Tinatanong niya ako na, paano kita mapapasmile, Mami? Ganyan yun si ate. Ay, naku, ate. I love you, ate.
I love you.
Hmm. So, si Ayla, ang bilis lang nakaintindi. Si Arlo yung medyo natagalan kami kay Arlo. Kasi kailangan ko i-explain sa kanya kung bakit ako nagalit. Alam mo yan. Yes.
Electric cars drive all by themselves.
Yeah, does it?
Mommy, you're not there. Where the yellow car is.
Yeah, but it's still far. I don't want to walk way too far. We've got a lot of stuff.
Stay down.
Or maybe we can park here.
Yeah, we can. I saw it further. I was going to point it at it. Size. I did pay down more. Mommy, go in this school.
I will. Just wait. Just gonna park it properly, okay? Let's go, Tita Manay.
That's my logic. Not funny.
Let me just check, okay, guys? Stay here. I wanna see. Ay! Oh my gosh.
Ano pa sana sabi ko sana siya to baka iba ka sabi ko para lang
Saan
parking.
yung open? Ah, yeah, that's good. Natawagan kisa kayo. Sabi ko, asan kayo yung entrance? Diba, asan na yung mga anak ko? Dinala na ni Tito Jan dun sa playground. Ayun na sila. At least, hindi pa sobrang tirik ng araw. Yeah, kasi apakainit. Dito na kami, guys. Andiyan na siya, oh. Ang aga umalis kanina. Nakita ko kayo sa camera eh. Sabi ko, paalis na sila. Inano ko si Dan. Sabi ko, may kiba sila. Siya, mayroon yun. Sleep baba. Walking kami, guys. Yan si Ayla nasa baba. Ang ganda niya kapag ganyan. Pula-pula yung cheeks. Tapos naka-pusod yung, yan, nakaban yung buhok. Naka-gymnastics outfit na yan siya eh. For later. Tapos pahangin-hangin pa. Oh. Pak. Ina-share ni Tita Manay.
Yes, baby.
I got a different gymnastics today.
Oh, what's
I'll
that?
go to a different gymnastics
Ah,
today.
today, yes. Because this, I think this is what you call that? Break gymnastics.
Holiday one. Yeah,
Holiday
holiday
one.
gymnastics.
Do you want to put it in a
Um,
bag?
Sure. Nakahanap siya ng keyring, guys.
Key ring.
Yep. Gusto niya talaga iuwi. Sige, uwi natin.
That is our first treasure. I'm gonna look for more.
This is your first what?
First treasure.
Ah, this is her first treasure. Oh! Oh, yeah? That's good.
Sabi ko, ituwag na natin itong ano.
Sabi ko, ba't ang dami mo nang dala?
Huwag na natin.
Thank you. Oh, diba? Dala-dala pa namin bouncer ni Inday. Hindi pwedeng iwan ng bouncer mo, be.
Natin si Sako.
Yeah. Nakahanap na kami ng table, guys.
Ganda.
Ang ganda dito, in fairness. Kain tayo. Sayang, hindi ko dinala yung baramandi. Ang laki kasi ng baramandi.
There's not?
Ah, that's alright, mate. I have soft drinks here.
Okay, you have to give that to Sa. Okay, go come and put yours.
Yeah, may dala akong soft
slippers here.
drinks. Oh,
Ah,
diba?
diba? Kompleto pala kami.
Prutas.
Picnic talaga kami
Dinamihan
dito.
ko pa to kasi naisip ko si Holly. Wala naman pala si Holly dito, guys. Buti hindi napapansin ng mga bata.
Kaya hindi pa
Hindi pa
nagtatanong.
napapansin ni Ayla na wala si...
Siya napansin niya na.
Sino?
Ni ay ano?
Ni Indy.
Yeah. Si Kuya kanina pa to pakuha sa akin ng guys. Siguro naka $15 na to. Hindi niya binabalik yung
Sukle.
cents.
Wala na. ganyan
Pangalawa
na.
nang balik.
Suhol mo? Ano ka?
Binigyan ko siya unang 50, tapos ngayon na ulit 50. I keep the change, ma'am. It's only ko. I said, okay.
What?
Malay ko ba kung ano yung pinag...
Yeah. Ano nga ulit yung sinasabi ko? Kinuha daw ni Neil si Holly. So wala si Holly dito.
wala.
Pero yan, hindi na alala.
Para,
niya.
tsaka madilim siya
Hindi
dahil.
na
Tingnan
tanong
mo,
sa iyo.
madilim. Madilim
Hindi
ba?
naman. Ano yan?
So yun, liwanag.
Eh kasi, dito ka. Dito ka upo.
Hindi, madilim.
Yeah, madilim na yung sayo. Wala na, sira na talaga sa'yo pag ganun pa.
Hindi, feeling ko, eto kasi may ganyan, may low. Wala
Ah,
kang low.
Oh, bakit ka may low? Eh, ayun!
Ayan, ang linaw na. Ay,
Hindi,
kanina.
bakit? Wala namang ganyan yung akin.
Ay,
Ano,
wala
pinindot
din.
mo?
Hindi ko alam. Inano ko lang.
Ayun, dinala ko guys yung leftover namin kahapon.
Sus, dami namin pagka...
Oh my gosh.
Ano daw?
Nahanap siyang treasure. May
Ah.
nahanap siyang ano,
You
hearing
find
kanina.
some?
Ayan oh, salad. Ang salad ni Manay kahapon.
Oo, yung ating
I found treasure.
papaya
Oh,
salad.
good job. Tapos yung noodles ng kids, dinala ko din.
Mommy, I found some treasure.
And rice, yung
guys.
rice.
I found treasure.
Asan yung
well
ating ano,
done.
be?
Ano yan? Ano?
Akala ko, oo.
Tinidor
I
siya.
still found treasure.
You found, ala! Nilagay sa hot.
Wala na.
Agoy,
Wala na.
hala si Arlo. Agoy si Arlo. Agoy talaga naman. Arlo! Don't use your hat, mate! It's gonna get really... Oh, no. That's too late. Too late now.
Kalma na lang tayo.
Mate, if you put that on your head, then the sand's gonna go on your head.
Kain mo ng mother.
Nauna pa.
Lamig.
Naglalaro na siya.
Doon
Ang
na.
layo. Yeah. Guys, do you want apples? Apples, strawberries?
Ang kulang dito yung baramandi.
That's alright. I can feed you. Yeah.
Okay lang. Kasi yung baramandi, kailangan yung
Ubusan na
upo.
natin.
Ay, sarap sana ng ano natin
Yeah.
dito. Mali ba na natin makakuha tayo ng ganitong table? Sa fine
Here, I'll
dining
feed you.
restaurant.
You're thirsty? Ah, sige, here. Water. Dala akong tubig, guys. Tapos meron, ilagay muna natin to dito. Pagbiskitahan ng aking cats. Alright, I'll feed you rice, please. Para, kasi lunch na din pala. Kami, hoy! Don't go yet. Kami.
I'm not,
Not yet? Okay, sige.
I'm not hungry.
Babe, don't touch anything, please. I'll just feed you. Because you're very sandy. Look at my son. Look at my son. Anong ginagawa niya?
Wala na. Na-enjoy mo.
Wala na. Nasa hot na yung mga
Sarap ng
sand.
hangin.
Kain tayo, guys. Isa yun lang ng kinain natin kagabi.
Sarap ng ano, papaya talaga.
Yung lumpia ko. Tig-isa tayo. I-white noise ko to, be.
Okay. Kasi parang gustong bumangon.
Kaya nga.
Saan na kayang Broadway yung pumunta sa nurse?
Kaya nga. Ang tagal yan. Baka naligaw yun.
Hindi, sinend ko yung address. Yun din yung ginamit mong address na sinend ko, di ba? Sarap ng ano, Hala.
And they're on their way.
Si Holy Jack kasi right ko.
Hindi, hardly.
Ah.
Huh? Yeah, we're so early. That's okay.
You give me butterflies when you smile and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. It's just me and you. What should I do?
Hi.
I have to turn it back to you.
Oh, Arlo, it's his present for you. Hi.
Sexy naman, hi.
Kaya nga. Hi sis, you're back again.
Hindi ko dinala yung bag ko.
Hello? She said there's stuff inside. Check it out.
Doon pa lang siya nakatingin.
Ah, gustong gusto niya oh.
Pinalit na pala siya.
What? What is it? Oh my goodness, mate. Oh my gosh. Please. Thank you. Oh my gosh, look at that, hello.
Mommy, can I
Ang cute naman ito, Day. Saan mo ito nabili?
can we open this?
Hello, look at this. Avengers. Ang cute ng jersey. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh, mate, look. Hello.
It's mommy. It's mommy.
What do you say to Tita Mers?
Thank you.
And Riker and Holly.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sinave ko. Oh, baby. Well done.
Ayan yung sabi mo. Stretchable. Kung nagpa-picture, hindi naman kita ang heels.
Saan?
Nag-clubbing sila, nag-heels siya ngayon. May paltos siya.
Saan yung paltos mo? Alright guys, ready?
Yeah.
Who's ready for gymnastics? Oh my gosh.
You are down to my last picture and you're not down to what you're down to.
How's Indy ate? She's sleeping or no? It's alright. Hindi talaga kami nakanood ng laro ni Zach. Nagpunta lang kami doon kumain. Naglaro yung kids sa playground, sa sandpit. And yeah, hindi namin napanood yung laro. So it's currently 1:21 and yung gymnastics starts at 1:45. So yung time frame is 1:45 to 3:45. So 2 hours siya. I don't think like magsistay kami ng whole 2 hours. Ayla, this looks really cool, Baba. Hello? Is this exciting?
Anna doesn't go in it too.
Yeah. Arlo's gonna go in, so you gotta teach him, okay? You gotta teach him some moves. No, super excited na niya.
Mommy,
You excited too?
this is this.
Ayun, ang ganda oh. Meron dong mga iba. Oh my gosh, Ayla, look at that. It's really nice, ate.
I used to be so quiet like a flower on the wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange.
Dinosaur, yeah.
I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so
Go follow Easter Bunny.
just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. Just me and you, my Sheila. You give me butterflies.
Go, Alo.
Surprise, the thought of a kiss as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask, wouldn't hurt to try. Just me and you, what should I do? I hope
Oopsie.
you hit me back,
Uh-oh.
'cause I can't wait to see.
Good job, good
Everything's a vibe, the both of us. Who knew how fast things became? Now it feels so great. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room
Yeah,
are
go for it.
changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. It just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise! The thought of a kiss as the people walk by. I'm just
Good
dying
job.
to ask,
Go, Alo.
to try. Just me and you. What should I do?
Yay!
You keep running round my
Well
head.
done, Ayla.
Every
Oh my gosh, good job.
Think about a moment where I'm lying next to you. It's like a fantasy. You give me butterflies
Alo, wait.
when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand.
You alright,
but
Alo?
get too shy. Just
Yeah, careful, okay?
You give me
Yeah, go, go.
butterflies
You can do it. Slowly and carefully.
as the thought of a kiss as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask what I'm
No?
to
Okay.
try. Just me and you. What shall I
Go, Isla. Careful, Alo. Careful, Alo. Good job, guys. Go, Alo. Slowly and carefully, Alo. Slowly and carefully. You're almost there. Well done! Good job!
Press that one. Press this one out. This one.
We're heading home. Alright. Wave to daddy, guys. Can daddy see you? No? Heading home, guys. 23-minute drive. Malayo-layo tong kinder gym na to. So, panay ako gymnastics kanina. It's kinder gym. Buti na lang talaga, guys. Pumunta si daddy. Kasi kasama pala yung parents. Kailangan mo bantayan yung anak mo dun sa kinder gym. So, kailangan talaga pumasok yung parents kasi walang staff na magbabantay sa mga bata. Tapos may mga, balance beam na kailangan mahawakan yung mga bata. Buti na lang nandun si Dan. Though, most of the time, karga-karga ko pa din si Indy kasi nasa phone siya. The whole time na nandun siya, nasa phone siya. But may mga times naman na kinuha niya si Indy sa akin, tapos nasa phone siya. Pero kapag umiiyak si Indy, kailangan niya ibigay sa akin. But still, he was there. Kapag nagpapasikat yung mga bata, nandun siya. Kasi nagpapasikat yung mga bata, daddy, look at me. Pero inisip ko, kung ako lang mag-isa the whole time, nandun kami ng mga 1 hour and 30 minutes. Ang hirap siguro kasi karga-karga ko si Indy, kasi hindi pwede ipasok dun sa gym mismo, or sa kinder gym mismo na area, yung pram. Kasi hindi nga pwede magsapatos dun nakapaan lang kami. So kung ako lang talaga mag-isa the whole time, 1 hour and a half, karga-karga ko yung bata. Tapos kinailangan pa niyang i-feed, alam mo yun? Buti na lang nandun si daddy. Kahit pa paano natulungan tayo, guys. Very good. 3 kids, sis. Meron akong kids. Ang hirap Ang hirap dali ng mga bata. Paano natin gagawin? Pagod na nga ako din.
Pag bumili na, magdidiklata na naman.
Pajamas mo, yeah, meron akong space.
Sana all.
Yeah, nagdiklata ako lagi.
Punta tayo ng
Asian?
Iya din.
IKEA? Gusto mo mag-IKEA?
Pareho.
Malapit lang sila. Doon na lang tayo kain na IKEA. Alam nga, nakakain pa tayo dito.
Huwag na tayo dito magkain.
Sige, so doon na lang tayo.
Sayang ang isda natin
Buti ka, hindi ka magsiswimwear. Ako na talaga magsiswimwear. Lip essence siya, manay.
Lip.
Lip essence plumper. Try mo. Wala kang sa lips mo. Guys, meron akong natanggap na package from La Olivia at saka I Am Gifts Akoy. Ito, isa. The Retinol, hindi ko na alam paano yan. Kayo na bahala. But it's a wrinkle lip essence plumper. Sige, try mo. Try ni Manay. And ito nga yung sabi ko sa inyo kanina, galing yan La Olivia. So kung naghahanap kayo ng mga Mardi tops na nasa Pilipinas, marami siyang in stock ata. Sa last time nakita ko. Tapos she gave me this one. So ito yung ata yung slim fit. Puro one size yung Mardi So ito slim fit. Maganda?
May cooling.
Ayan.
May cooling siya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tapos ito, ibang size, ibang fit naman siya. Pero yeah, one size fits all lang yun ito sila lahat. Free size ba? Malaki. Ang cute din ito. So kung naghanap kayo ng mga Mardi na mga items, La Olivia guys. And then now, may mga tops tayo from Gifts Akoy. Yung plumping. Maganda daw yung plumping lip. Ayan, meron tayo nito. Gusto mo to? Baka may magustuhan kayo ito. Isuot mo mamaya. Kaya nga, okay lang. Ito, matchy-matchy sa mo? Sa pa-skirt mo dyan. Ang ganda-ganda ng pa-skirt mo. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga knitted, ng mga tops, ayan, meron yan sa I Am Gifts Akoy. Kadami. Ito maganda itong mock neck.
Ay, maganda ang kulay niya.
Yeah. So, I Am Gifts Akoy naman to guys. Sa Instagram.
Ayan, 2 colors.
Ayan, tuto. And then last one. Oh, patay ka na talaga dito.
Bali mo dahil.
Pang Bali. Uy, may foam siya.
Hindi ka mag-bra.
Yeah. Kung naghanap kayo ng mga ganun, available guys. I am gift for. Thank you, sis. Maraming salamat. Maganda. Maganda daw to. Oh, sabi ni Manay. Ilagay ko daw sa akin. Wala kang lip product, kakalagay ko lang kasi ng lipstick.
Maganda.
Ah, so ano siya? Parang, yeah, creamy.
Parang essence siya.
Dinamihan mo ba? Oh, yeah. Oh, ang bilis mo ma-feel.
Feel mo daw very refreshing.
Yeah. Oh, in fairness dito, na-feel mo agad yung plumping.
Yung ganyan, nafe-feel ko na talagang ano siya.
Oo nga. Gusto nyo ng lip plumping essence. Oh, pak. Japan yan. Dito pala kami guys sa fine dining.
Fine dining.
Ano daw unahin yung baso? Hindi.
Anong basang gusto niyo unahin ko? Fine dining restaurant.
Hindi. Sabi ni Dano, it's just a nicer pub.
Hindi pa pala tayo nakapunta dito.
Nakapunta na kami. Yeah.
Naalala ko yung red na
Ana chair.
Yeah. Punta na tayo dito. Nandito kami sa The
nasa fine dining
Kenzie
restaurant.
Hotel Pub. Kainan na naman. Meron silang ano, pork belly.
May tira pa tayong bahay.
Isda. May isda pa tayo natira sa bahay.
Kainin na lang natin yung na ano, umaga.
Work.
Sa'yo, rice na lang.
May work ka bukas? Gusto mo mag, ano?
Harbor Town.
Harbor Town? Ano bukas? Tuesday. Harbor Town. IKEA kami. Anong kailangan mo sa IKEA?
Wala na.
Bakit tayo pupunta doon?
Shopping. But can I have lemon? You're not gonna ask what I want.
Kabaw naman siya.
Oh, he wants to go with you.
What drinks?
Good ka? There's no lemon lime. Oh, there's no lemon lime. There's no lemon lime.
Ask them. Moscato.
Yeah, Moscato.
Ito lang ang pag nawalang lemon lime. Nasa fine dining
Meron
Ang
sila
ganda-ganda
noon
pa
eh.
naman lang.
Ngayon wala. Baka
Baka
wala
ano
na.
lang.
Wala nang nag-order ng lemon lime. Uy, pang ano daw yan? Mga week. Pang week
Dapat
yung lemon.
alak.
Dapat.
Kasi ang dami.
Wala din
Kailangan
Moscato.
kasi natin gamitin.
Pang week din yung Moscato.
Ang dami talaga.
Yeah, sabi niya, ano, pang lemon lime ba yan? Mga glasses nyo dyan?
Ano naman, pang wine.
Yeah, masarap yung sticky pork belly kasi may rice pa. Yan yung aking bala.
Iwasan na natin.
Okay lang naman, hindi naman.
Nasa fine dining restaurant.
Magsasalad ka man.
Nagsalad ako.
Ayan, merong nourish bowl. Ayan, nourish bowl. Para ma-nourish yung iyong ano. Para ma-nourish yung iyong life.
May pasta din.
Meron? Isa lang. Yeah. Chicken penne. Yeah. Thank you, babe.
Okay. Nasa fine dining restaurant tayo.
Yeah, thank you.
Coming to order for me.
I would like for her to stay there for as long as she can. But you can.
Uy, alam mo, magkano to? Isang buti na to. Sa atin.
Magkano?
Ano? Sana nagdala tayo. Dito lang pag ilid-ilid ba? Sparkling pa yun. Hello! Sus!
But may cheesy garlic bread.
Meron.
Yeah, cheesy bread.
Hello!
Tayo na upuan.
Kulang?
Ayan, dyan.
Sinil.
Sinil.
Ayan.
Ay, okay.
Yeah?
Nandun.
I don't think she will.
Mayroon
Ayla,
dalawa.
pasta. Pasta and chicken.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Chicken
You tell daddy.
You had chicken nuggets.
Chicken pasta.
Oh, he wants pasta.
Ang datingan na ang mga order. Cheesy garlic bread nandito na.
Masarap na, parang mas masarap. Parang mas masarap ang cheesy garlic bread.
Bilis naman ang natapos. Masarap yung ano nila. Garlic bread.
Beb! Beb, you will like it. Try. You will like it.
Masarap ba?
Yeah, try mo. You will like it. You know what that mommy made? The burrata.
Baka ano, ang daming herbs.
Good.
Parang lasang-lasa.
It's a fine dining restaurant kasi.
Yeah, I made this before. Remember?
Napaka-ano? Napaka-strong.
Yeah.
Rosemary, yeah.
Try mo. Ito.
Hmm?
Hindi may chicken ako kaysa kasiguro kaysa.
Baba.
Yeah.
Yum.
No? Hindi siya powering.
Fresh.
Yeah.
Ang fresh niya.
Burrata.
Ano yung black sauce man ay?
Balsamic.
Balsamic.
Careful now.
When I close my eyes, ruthless I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Know what I should have let go.
What are you doing, Baba?
For the body.
Oh, what are you drawing,
Holly did
Bob?
that. Holly drew the rabbit for me.
Oh, that's a really good drawing, Oli. Good job, guys. See, this is a good bonding, guys. Drawing. Alright?
And then spots.
Oh, spots.
Spots is better than
Yeah, nakapajamas na yan sila dalawa eh. Naka-long sleeve pa kahit ang init. Ah! What is it?
bunny.
A bunny. How about you, Ayla? What's your bunny drawing?
So I'll show you.
Yeah, please show me. Draw a bunny.
Where's the pink?
Late na, guys. Ano na, 10:30 na ata ng gabi. Ito yung bunny drawing ni Ayla. She's been drawing all day, all night. Sa
I'm learning.
you're learning. Sa pub kanina, nagdo-drawing siya. Dinrawingan niya si Tito Jan, si Tita Kati. What is this you're drawing, my love? A bunny. Nice. Oh, very good. Good job, Ayla. Well done. What's that? The feet? Oh, that's cute. Well done.
Don't know how to do the feet.
Sorry?
Don't know how to do the feet.
You don't know how to do the feet? That's okay. You're learning. You'll learn.
Can you help me?
Let's see. I'm not sure if I know
And the
how to.
hands.
I will just copy Holly's feet. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, where should we put the hands? There you go. It's like that. Does that look like hands? And then feet can be like this. Your bunny will be wearing shoes, okay? There you go. Shoes. Here you go. That's your bunny, girl. It's got shoes. Cute girl.
Mama,
Yeah.
is some fruit orange?
Orange.
Is some fruit purple?
Purple, yeah, ube. Yeah, I like ube ice cream too. Ooh, that's a big one. Love it.
Can I have the yellow, please? No, yellow. Thanks. Coffee powder.
Oh, yum. That looks good, girl. Thank you, girl. And what did you make for me, Baba? That looks like an ube ice cream.
I'll draw Stitch for you.
Stitch? Go, girl. I love that, Ayla. It's ube flavor. Ooh.
Lemon flavor.
Lemon. I love lemon flavor. Thank you, baby.
Stitch. Okay. I draw a little Easter bunny.
Oh, that's so cute. Good drawing, guys. And you have to put all your drawings here. So tomorrow, Tita Manay and Tito Jan can have a look, and the boys. Ang ganda ng pagkasulat ni Ayla ng pangalan niya. Baliktad yung S niya, pero ang ganda ng pagkasulat. Tingnan niyo. I love the way you write your name, Baba. I really like it.
Mama, I need an empty box to do some, because I want to make something.
Go for it.
I lost my way, but now I am sure.